my life flashing before me. I see myself walking. I get to this place, this rug, this beautiful rug that leads up to the cross. So beautiful. I just want to stay here. I just want to. Who's that? Who's that?
Yeah, exactly. Who's that?
Who's
that? Say hi.
Maybe just say hi. I should go.
Yes. Come on. It's a party. It's fun. It's fun. Oh,
okay.
What is this, man?
My friend.
Your friend.
Yo,
gotta hit him up.
I don't care about peer pressure.
Experience.
I should try something.
About peer
Experience would be good. No, I gotta concentrate. I gotta concentrate. No, I can't.
Alright, work.
Can't do it. Gotta concentrate on work.
Yes,
yo, I'm late.
work.
I'm late to work.
It's all about work.
I gotta go back
get
to
ahead
work.
in
Alright,
life.
the cross can wait. I got so many phone calls.
A lot of people care about you.
A lot of friends.
Gotta get your stats up
care about
too.
me. Where's the cross? Where's the cross?
What?
Is there a cross?
I don't know.
What cross? What cross?